Today, I will show you how to analyze a simply supported beam in STAAD.Pro. First, open your STAAD.Pro software and create a new project. Select Space, give your file a name, choose the units as meter and kilonewton, and click Next. Then, click Add Beam and finish. Now, the STAAD.Pro interface opens. Using your cursor, select a 5-meter line on the grid, then press Escape. Change the view, and click that Add Snap Node icon to remove the grid. Next, go to Supports. Create a new support, select Pin Support, and add it. Switch to the node cursor, select the node, and assign the support. Now, let's define the loads. Go to Loads and Definition. Click Load Case Details, click Add, select the loading type as dead load, and name it DL. Then close. Select DL, click Add, choose self-weight with a load factor of -1, and add it. This represents the dead load. Next, apply a point load. Choose member load, then concentrated force. Enter -15 kilonewtons, with D1 equal to 2 meters. Add and close. The negative value indicates downward direction. Assign both the self-weight load and the point load to the beam. You can adjust the load arrow height using the loads icon. Now, define the beam property. Add a rectangular section of 0.23 by 0.23 meters, then assign it to the beam. Go to Analysis and Print. Select all, add them, and close. Then run the analysis by pressing Ctrl plus F5. Save and process. The software will show you errors, warnings, and output details. Switch to post-processing mode. Click Apply Loads, then apply an OK. Now you can check bending moment diagrams, shear force diagrams, reactions, and even animations. Use Ctrl plus mouse scroll to zoom in on the diagrams. Back in the Modeling tab, double-click on the beam to check geometry, properties, shear, bending, and deflection values. You can also open the STAAD output file to view the detailed beam analysis report. Finally, if you need, you can proceed with concrete or steel design as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates.